To call the following to give messages and the treasure to Artagitan Zenebel. First in line, a cousin, Mrs. Nancy Berber.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, May. I wish that you continue to do good things and fill the new chapter of your life with more wisdom and great deeds. Wishing you the best 80th birthday ever. Happy, happy birthday. May the Lord bless you always.
Mrs. Erna Paglibar.
Good evening to all. 18 years passed, siguro mga 3 years old si Steven. Nag-abot di gampang sa ni escort niya. Si Jay, tubo-tubo, kitsa na. So, good luck, more power, sabay pa mangin successful kasi yung studies, then mangin rare woman. This magtigulang si Papa mo pag uli may surprise kaw ka na. So, good luck. God bless you, Liben. I hope a good girl always again.
Miss Binfa Paglibar.
Belle, happy birthday. May your wish come true. Remember always, studies first before anything else. Make your tatay proud.
Yes. Mrs. Nueva Mangawa.
Lady, happy birthday. God has given us the two choices, no? May freedom kita to choose. What we wish for you is the really good path, no? And as you enter another world, you are a mature person now, choose the right way, no? Be a blessing to your family, and please, one more thing. Tell everything to your tatay. Bad or good, tanan itaulaki, sugid ka na. Bisan marayo siya, update siya kanina. Okay? Watch out for the overflowing of graces and blessings that is coming your way. Catch them and suck into your life, collect it, and be successful. Happy birthday!
Miss Ma'am Elsie Serapi po.
Good evening, everyone. Nini Zenebel, you are now a gracious lady. I am glad that you turned out to be loving, talented, and respectful person. From now on, you will be facing bigger challenges, responsibilities, and surely more adventures await you. Just take it and grab the opportunity that will come your way. If failure comes, always keep your head strong and continue to move forward. Never quit. Life is indeed a work in progress. Mind you, it's not all fun, but you can beat them all with strong faith in God, coupled with proper guidance instilled in you. Take your time in indulging the life you're just starting. Finish your studies and continue to grow being a good person. and strive more to reach your dreams. Happy birthday! I wish you all the good things in life, never-ending happiness, overflowing love, outpouring success, and always in good health. Now that you are in another chapter of your life, being a lady, I just hope that you will enjoy every moment and learn every lesson it brings. Continue to dream and reach more. After all, life is a journey, a continuing search of everything you have in mind, but remember to keep your feet on the ground. So be humble. May you continue to shine as bright as diamonds and be a blessing to others' lives. In so doing, you are making a big difference. Again, Nini Zenibel, happy birthday. Maswerte gid ikaw because nga try gid ni tatay mo nga mapartihan ikaw sa imong nga pagdibong, ha? So, treasure that and love your father. Hindi mo gid siya pag-i-fail sa iyang mga dreams para sa inyo. So, Nini Zenibel, continue to enjoy your special moment. God bless always.
Ngayong gabi sa tanan, happy birthday. Ang hambal ko lang sa mo. Hindi mo gipag-fail si papa mo nga nagpangabudlay para sa imo. Kag ang hambal man tanan-tanan nga lang sa kabuon, mas happiest moment mo yung baluman sa iya. Kay ikaw lang gid ang iya nga isahanan nga bata. Balan ko nga palanggap mo siya, tani, ipabatsag naman sa iya ang pagpalanggap mo, perme. Pagkatapos, sa puso mo kitang imo nga mag-eskwela para sa kay papa mo. Amo lang kita. Happy birthday ni God bless.
Mrs. Justin Valdesales.
Ngayong gabi sa tanan, pagsulod ko kanina, nakita ko yung mga former pupils ko. Hambal ko, amod ako kadya kamalang gali, no? That was 10 years ago when Zenibel was my grade 2 pupil. Kag she looks like, ano ganito si Cora? May bangs, tapos boyish. Now that she's 18, daw talaga man, no? Mabukat ko alay ka, ano ko ha? Kudigo. Hey. Hindi na si mama kakita. Okay, today marks the day wherein you will welcome yourself to the wonderful world of adults. It is a crazy world, yet filled with so much happiness that you will surely look forward to and cherish. As one of your 18 treasures, and I'm so glad that you have remembered me, I am giving you this money envelope as a treasure because I believe that this denotes many things. But I choose happiness, generosity, and success. I want you to keep in mind these three because I want you to be happy, because I know that money can make everybody happy, right? Wait, ka sa bata? Oh, yes. I want you to be generous to your family, and I want you to be successful. Okay?
Ngayong gabi, and happy 18th birthday, Zenibel. The message ko kanimo is to keep always good traits and good health for you to reach your dreams in the future. Always have the courage to face challenges and obstacles in life. And above all, never forget to thank God Almighty for giving you another year of your life. Once again, happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Mrs. Rowena Guerra.
Cousin Ziggy. Alam ni, ang wish ko lang nga makatapos ka sa pag-eskwela, para mag-iisa ulihi, paging ang mayong imong pangabuhi. Kagi para ang pagpangamudlay ng papa mo ng malipay sa nga makatapos ka. Ani, sa liwan, happy birthday.
Miss Edros Lee.
Lumayong gabi sa tanan ni happy birthday. Wish ko nga daan magpag-o at magpatubo nakabuot mo. Tapos ni tatapusan na pag-eskwela mo ni hindi ka na mag-ilog ka na mo. Tatay lang. Amo na tayo magpago ka mo. Happy birthday.
Miss Jonalyn Palomaria.
Mayong gabi, galing sa tanan. Ni, happy birthday. Message ko kanino. You were once in a world of innocence. A world full of laughter. You were one of those little kids who love to play nasty things. Who's curious of what it maybe feels to be in a rain. But, as I look at you now, you would have thought, you were one a little girl, turned out into a gorgeous lady. As you live your Innocence Day, I want you to know or to remind you as well that this world isn't all about fun as you thought. I wish as you grow you will keep the good values enlisted unto you. I wish that God may fulfill all the desires in your heart. God bless you, May. Happy birthday.
Miss Bernie Placer.
Ni, happy birthday. I'm always here for you, to help you, to guide you, and to love you. Di tanan nga nag-18, naka-experience ka, ibo mo, be thankful to God, at be thankful kay may tatay ka nga support ka nimo financially, kag emotionally, kag tanan mo nga handog sa kabuhi, matupad mo, kag tapos na magipag-eskwela mo. Thank you.
Miss Marian Panes.
Hello, Belle. Almost a year that we've been together in one house, remember? Sharing our bedtime stories, mga having sweet conversation ta, at mga sharing problems. But for all of this, I really like the most is when we are talking about love. Love. Yeah. I've known you as a brave and strong girl, but now you are not a girl anymore. You turned into a brave and a strong lady. And now that you are 18, I hope and I wish that having this personality will help you in whatever hardships you have encountered in your journey of being a lady. Wishing all the best and success in your life. Happy birthday, Ben.
Mrs. Maria Belinda Paciente. Represented by our cousin.
Ngayong gabi sa tanan, happiest birthday, Zen. Now that you are now a lady, I wish that you will act as one. And I was once your age and I wanted to give you pieces of advice. First, you should not dwell on what you don't have, but you should dwell on what you have. Appreciate your family, especially your tatay who is working hard for you. And my last piece of advice is always put God in the center of your life and you will never go wrong.
Mrs. Marley Padasay.
Hello, Sin. Sorry, may namin mo, Mama Dasay. Okay. This gift signifies that starting at this point of time, now that you are already 18 years of age, you should be wise on spending money. Now that you are of legal age, you should know how to prioritize on what to buy. Not because you are a lady. Now you will spend more and more for yourself, but rather you should know how to save enough money, not just for your own future, but also for your own family. Happy birthday.
Mrs. Aida Paclibar.